I'm going to make my goal first. No, I'm making my goal. Oh, here I come. Here I come. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Oh, hi. Sorry. I was kind of bored in my room today, so I took down some of the cars and I was just kind of playing with them. I'll put them away. Fractions. Yes, we're on fractions today. Well, hopefully yesterday's fraction strip project was pretty easy for you today. So today is Tuesday, and we are going to be working on our home link today. So you need to take out your home link, and you'll probably need some crayons, colored pencils. Why don't you hit pause, and I'll go back to playing with the card. I'll get my thing ready while you gather your supplies. Yes. Hello, Chloe. You are racing to your air goal. Mrs. Martin, do present. All right, so here is our home link. So we are going to do some shading of rectangles to match the fractions below. All right, so they give an example, 2/4. We are simply shading 2 of the 4 parts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts is the denominator. 1, 2 is the part that we're shading. That is the numerator. So we'll do 1 together, and then you're on your own for the rest. So we have 2/3. 2/3 is the number of parts, total parts. So we have 1, 2, 3 parts. And the 2 is the part that we're interested in. So I'm going to take a fun pen or a pencil, and I'm going to shade in 2. Hopefully yours will look 10 times better than mine. 2 of the 3 parts, so 2/3. So you're going to do the same for 3/8, 3/6, and 1/4. So you can either hit pause and do those 3, or you can keep on moving with me, and we'll take a look at the next couple. So on the next part of our home link, we are comparing the shaded fractions using our fraction strips from yesterday. So you can also pull those out. Otherwise, you'll see that they're right here for you. So the first one is dealing with 1/4. They have shaded in 1/4. Now, when I look at my hard copy, it's hard to see. So you're probably going to want to go in and shade in 1/4. And then we're talking about 1/3, and you're probably going to want to go in and shade your 1/3. We're going to compare those two. Remember, the alligator mouth wants the biggest fraction, so you're going to use the alligator mouth to point to your biggest fraction. Is it going to be less than, greater than, or equal to? So you're going to use one of these symbols to fill in the blank here. You'll do the same thing for number 6. Looking down at our practice section, I would highly encourage you to write it off in a better way. 963 minus 548. Now you could also use the back side of your paper if there wasn't enough room at the bottom. Ask yourself, if I have 3, can I give you 8? You can't, so you're going to have to make a trade. I won't do any more for you. Don't forget to throw in your ballpark estimate. So 963 is close to what? 548 is close to what? Make sure you check if your answers are close. You probably had it right. Now notice over here, number 8 is addition. Make sure you're adding at number 8 and you are subtracting on number 7. The last part of today is taking a peek at IXL. I have assigned 4 and 5. So we're going to be trying to find equivalent fractions using those number lines. They're same as your fraction strips. So this one says use the number line to find a pair of equivalent fractions. So you can see 3/6 and 4/8 are the same. And they do little hints down here. 1/2, and well, they change really fast for me, but yours won't change. Okay, you need to get an 80 if you would like an A. If you get a 100, I will give you some bonus points. So IXL 4. Then we're going to look at IXL 5, and you just have to put an X on where a half would be, or 3/2. That one's a little harder. You'll have to use maybe some other skills to help you, or ask moms or dads. Now, if this isn't enough work for you all week, you can do any of the other yellowed ones that I've assigned. Go ahead and have fun. You'll be graded on IX4 and IX5. Remember, 80, getting 80 out of the 100 is an A. If you decide to go all the way to 100, you'll earn a couple extra credit points on your grade. So there you have it, my friends. Those are the few things that we are doing today. Again, I had fun car racing. I wonder what crazy things I'll do tomorrow. If you have any questions, email me via Google or Remind. I'll be able to see your work on iExcel, so you don't have to worry about telling me that. HomeLink, moms, dads, take a picture of it, or you can go to Google Classroom and fill out the form on it. Any way that is easiest for you is just fine with me. All right. Enjoy your Tuesday. Try to get outside if the weather is nice. And we'll see you tomorrow.